Hello guys, how are you? Our today's topic is electric circuits. It's so interesting topic and one of my favorite topics. There are two main types of circuits, series circuits and parallel circuit. In series circuit, components are connected end to end. They make a simple loop from which current can flow. While in parallel circuits, components are connected end to end. So, current is divided. Some current is going to one side and the other is going to other side. Here is picture of both circuits, parallel and series circuits. So, you can easily observe the difference between both circuits. Voltage is amount of current flowing in wires given to them through battery. In science, we use symbol for every component of electric circuits like battery, wire, bulb, buzzer, motor, switch off and switch. Now, I will ask you some questions. If you gave the answer correctly, it means you can answer anyone who asks you what is electric circuits. So, ready? Let's. Which circuit is this? Parallel or series? Yes, the correct answer is parallel circuit. Which symbol is used for motor? A1 or B1? Yes, A1 is the correct. What is voltage? Amount of current or electrons? Yes, the correct answer is amount of current. Now, I hope that you are all cleared about the topic electric circuits. If you have any question about it, please ask me in comment box. I will answer them in the next video. So, take care and bye bye until